Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened on a flat note, however pullback rally at lower levels led index to close in green. It has closed around 87.45 with gain of 39 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a small bullish candle and it carries shadows on other side, indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the direction. This buying was observed from its multiple support zone of 8680 levels. Hence, on the downside, 8680 will act as a crucial support zone. However, any decisive close below 8680 level will indicate further weakness. Index continued to move in a broad trading range from 8900 to 8680 levels, representing short-term consolidation. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8770 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum towards 8800 levels and 8820 levels. On the downside, 8720 will act as an immediate intraday support zone. Any violation of this support zone will cause some selling pressure towards 8680 and 8650 levels. Nifty continued to remain below its 20-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below their reference line, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Some positive as stock for the day are PNP, Hindalco, Tata Communication, Canara Bank, Arvind, LIC and DLF, whereas some negative as stock for the day are Tech Mahindra and Dabur. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened on a flat note and remained in a narrow trading range from 66.80 to 66.70 levels throughout this session. It has closed around 66.46 with a loss of 0.04%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a doji candlestick pattern representing indecisiveness among the market participants at current level. USD continued to remain in a lower top lower bottom formation, indicating sustained downtrend. It continued to remain below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term as well as medium term. For the day, we expect USD to trade with positive bias and any sustainable move above 66.80 levels will indicate pullback rally at lower levels, which may lead USD towards 66.90 to 67.10 levels. On the downside, an immediate intraday support zone is around 66.70 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory. However, they are both reached in oversold territory, indicating possible pullback rally at current level. Thank you.